I'm at a client's house that we did over a year and a half ago is when we did this project. We did a kitchen, we did 3 bathrooms for him. So he saw one of my videos that I was actually doing like kind of a podcast type interview with my friend Teddy. It was a really cool video. If you want to check that out, I'll put the link in the description. But he basically said, hey, I saw your video. I love what you spoke about. You are exactly what I'm looking for in a contractor to take on my remodel. So we went ahead and we got the project. But basically what we ended up doing was this, first off, we did their kitchen. We did a beautiful kitchen remodel. It just came out so nice. We did new cabinets. These are Waypoint cabinets in the linen color. Door style is 650F. We did the cabinets. We did the island in a different color. I think this is the painted harbor color. And we reconfigured the whole island. We put posts in here. The posts and the legs really give the island some character. The new hardware for the cups and the pulls and some knobs in a brass finish, which again is just beautiful. We also did the kitchen hood this is the maple rye color. So we have an offsetting hood to kind of tie in with their flooring that went in. And the kitchen backsplash is a market collection tile from Sonoma tile makers called Astoria. It's a glass tile, and it's a really, really pretty glass tile. It has a kind of a reflective back on it, and when the light hits it, it's just beautiful, clean, elegant. Farmhouse sink. This is one of the Kohler Whitehaven farmhouse sinks, apron front. We love this sink. I prefer cast iron sinks over fire clay. They're more durable. I've had fire clay sinks crack. Actually, in my own house, I had 2 of them crack. So I recommend if you're going to do a farm sink, go with cast iron, not fire clay. And so this kitchen came out great. We got the white quartz tops. We have a kind of a Carrera look quartz top on the island. And it's very light, it's bright, beautiful, beautiful kitchen. So that's the kitchen. Let's go check out the first bathroom, which is one of their son's bathroom that he uses. And this bathroom is done in a handmade look ceramic wall tile and in a 3x12. The floor is done in a natural stone, a marble. So one of the big questions about using marble in a bathroom is how will it hold up? Well, Nate told me that this bathroom is used by their son every day. So for a year and a half, this shower is used every day, and the marble is holding up incredibly well. It looks just like the day we put it in. So we used the Schluter system, and we went over it with Ardex 8+9. That's when we're using a lot of the Ardex 8+9. But these sealed systems, in my experience, they tend to hold up a lot better with the marble. There's less room for water to sit, and you just got to make sure that you slope your Schluter properly so that water cannot sit under the tile. But other than that, it looks great. And for having young kids using this and every day, the bathroom is holding up great. So that's a win for marble. Okay, so this was bath 2. We're gonna go into the master. Again, the lighting in this house is just amazing. It's just so soothing and calming. They've really picked some nice colors. So this bathroom we did also in marble, and the same motif that we did in the other bathroom, which is the ceramic wall tile on the walls, and then we actually used a Carrera marble on the floor. The floor is done in 12x24 Carrera marble in a honed finish, and set in a herringbone pattern. And the herringbone pattern is quite a bit extra work as far as doing the layout and the cuts and everything. But again, it just is exquisite. It's sublime. It's just so so beautiful, so calming when you walk in here. And the shower, which before was this kind of funky little enclosure, we opened the whole thing up so that it's mostly glass that you can see through. It just blends in really nice. And we did quartz on the sills and the curb top and in the niche shelves to match. And also, so this floor, the shower floor, is also done in Carrera Marble. And it's a white marble, which I've heard and I've seen, especially when using traditional type shower pans, the marble will get darker when it is used a lot because it soaks in the water. Well, again, here's a case of a shower being used a couple times a day. Heavy use in this shower, again, using the Schluter systems, and the marble still looks like it is the day it went in. The grout right now is a little wet because they used it today, but other than that, the shower, the marble looks incredible. So that's 2 wins for marble and shower pans. And that's why I love the building trades, right? I love what I do because we get to transform people's living spaces that they spend every day in. And it's like us putting our artwork in their home and they get to use it. And it's a really, really rewarding feeling. Yeah, so from simply making a YouTube video with one of my friends and just opening up and talking about meaningful things in our lives, and for YouTube to send that out to a potential client and them connecting with us is just an incredible thing. YouTube has been so wonderful, not only for this channel, but also what it's done with my construction business as well. It's all connected, right? It's like this circle of us making content and people seeing us, people hiring us, and then we get to use that content from them hiring us and doing the project, and then the circle just keeps going. So I don't know what that means for you if you're thinking about using YouTube as a tool, but YouTube is Google. It's the largest search engine in the world. The information just gets out there. So I just feel blessed. I feel blessed for all my viewers, all my clients that I've ever worked for. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to watch the next video coming up. And last but not least, I love you. I love being your tile coach, and we'll see you on the next video.